Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. I am back. Well, I know it's been a long time and I know I said I was supposed to be making a video once a week, but it's hard, and I do enjoy it, but I'm so busy with other stuff that it's like this is my last thing that I think about. But I thought about you guys today and how faithful you are to asking questions and watching my channel. So I feel that I at least should give back at least twice a month if I can't do it every week. So that's what my goal is, to at least try to do 2 videos a month until I get enough time to do it once a week. So right now I'm just getting ready to give you a tip. I'm not getting ready to do any actual designs. I already made the design. It's a chip bag, and actually I started doing the chip bags in Photoshop. I was so intimidated by Photoshop that I never want to use it. But a young lady named Shanice Evans came up with chip bags, designing chip bags where you can put treats inside of them, whether they are open treats or just one of those 1 ounce chip bags that you get from the store. You can stuff those in there, make it personalized. And she do candy wrappers and a lot of other different templates that she has that dealing with Photoshop. If you're familiar with Photoshop, I would put her link down below, and you can go check out all her templates. And she have templates to wrap around different treats like Snickers, Skittles, and all that stuff like that. So if you into throwing parties or you just throw parties for your little ones, it'll be a great opportunity for conversation piece. They are very much a conversation piece if you're not familiar with it. So I will leave her link down below. Let me know what you think. Until then, let's get started. So I want to be able to take this. If you're doing something in Silhouette and you want to take it to get printed at Kinko's, officemax, or Staples, their system don't support Silhouette. So you have to change it to um, a file, and Silhouette don't allow you to do that. So if you go to file, let me click off, go to file and save. You save it to the hard drive. The only format you could do is Silhouette Studio V3, Silhouette Studio VG, and GSP, whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. Maybe I have to look that up on YouTube. Yeah, I love YouTube. I'm your biggest fan of YouTube. So I'm going to cancel out that. Let's cancel that out. So after I drag and group everything together, it's all grouped together, won't move. I'm going to go up to File, Print. I'm not getting ready to print anything, but I will go down to where it says PDF. Click on that arrow, and I want to open PDF in preview. I'm going to click on that and let the Silhouette do its thing. One thing I noticed, this is my MacBook, and I was trying to get the designer edition on here, and it wouldn't. I don't know what happened. It was on here before, so it went back to the original. So I'm trying to get that back. So if anybody know how I can get that back, let me know. So now it popped up. So now you want to go back to File again, and this time if you just want to go ahead and leave it as a PDF, you can just click Export as PDF, and then it will save it as a PDF. But I want to save it as a JPEG, so I'm going to go up to Export. And right here, when this other window open up, you have Export As. So you just want to give it a name. I'm just going to say Baby Shower, which I'm not getting ready to use this bag. I'm just using it for video purpose. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to go down to where it says Format here. Now, it's already in PDF. Like I said, if you want to save it as PDF, you can. Staples, officemax support PDFs. But I want to save it as a JPEG so I can print it myself at home. I mean, I can leave it as PDF and print it at home as well, but I'm just want to show you both sides. So I'm going to click on it, and here's your JPEG here. I'm just going to click on that. And now the resolution is 300. The quality of your image, you want it at its best. Resolution 300. Now I'm going to save it. And it says I already have one because I've been playing around with it all day. So I'm just going to replace it because it's the same thing. So I'm going to minimize this, and here it is right here. And now I can print this up on my printer, or I can take this to Kinko's, Staples, or OfficeMax to have them printed up. How awesome is that, right? Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that, open up my silhouette again, and now you have a perfect way to do your design here and then go have someone else print it up for you by saving in JPEG or PDF. How awesome is that? Well, until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.